Look at this variegated alocasia right outside Waimea Valley. Look at that. This one is the new leaf. Very variegated. And this is a regular unvariegated one. It is raining, but this is Waimea Valley. They have plants for sale, locally grown in Waimea. And here are like the posters of the movies that has been filmed here. Here are monstera plants, and over there is tibatib. So you can see the difference between an Epipenum pinnatum dragon-tailed tibatib from a monstera plant, even when mature. See, that one is a mature golden pothos. This one is an Epipenum pinnatum mature, and this is a monstera deliciosa. There you go. And there's a farmer's market going on over there. It looks like a sneaky plant, but I think it's a different variety of ficus. A lot more monsteras over here and some more golden pothos over there. And here you can see the golden pothos. Golden pothos that is mature. We got some syngonium plants here as well. And I think these are anthuriums, so not philodendrons. These are not sensitive plants. So I'm the only one going in. My family is just waiting for me at the farmer's market. I'm gonna try my best to do this as best as I can, record everything for you all, but I'm on a very limited time. So hopefully the footage is not gonna be as shaky and we get to really see good stuff and make it to the waterfall and back. But yeah. Oh, look at this one. Produced a variegated leaf when everything is not variegated. And this one is completely albo. So this is the Aerosay area, I guess aeroid area. I have to check it out. It's a detour. It's a detour from the trail to the waterfall, but I kind of want to show you. Look at this. Epipenum pinnatum, dragon-tailed tibatib. Some philodendrons and syngoniums over here. Some golden pothos over there. Some philodendron climbing there too. Hopefully I don't slip and fall. I don't know what type of philodendron this is. Is this a micin? Is this a heart leaf that's mature? Who knows? But look at that. Monsteras, some alocasia. Some Epipenum pinnatum over here as well. Rhodospathia latifolia. This looks like heartleaf philodendron. I was correct. Some gloriosum, hastatum, some atophyllum. It's hard to produce content when you're on the go and enjoy what you're seeing at the same time, but we're doing it. Peperomia, and I think dragon fruit. This is some type of Hoya. Goes like all the way up there. Variegated alocasia, a variegated banana plant, variegated alocasia over there. take shelter because it was raining. But more kibatib and golden pothos. I think we're close. The waterfall is getting louder, but so is the rain. Or maybe it's this one. I don't know. Oh my god, I made it, but I'm soaking wet. I don't even know what I look like. And the wall is right over there. I'm waiting for the rain to stop by a little bit so I can take some videos because my camera's gonna get wet. But I made it. I made it. Oh my god. That is the waterfall. Alright, we'll try. We will try. We will try. We will try. That's the best I can do. Is it horrible? Yes, but for perspective, I'm actually enjoying this singing. This is because who else gets to find a way through a jungle in Hawaii like they're in the Hunger Games, where Hunger Games was actually filmed. So this is us right now. We're making our way out of here. This is I think this is the banyan tree where Hunger Games was filmed, but we will see. I mean, would you be mad? Would you be mad getting rain on in this wonderful place? Not me, not I. This is the life. This is the life.